What is going on, guys? Liza over here at Pondering Creations Farm. Welcome back to our channel. It is winter here on the farm and we are going in the pantry today. I have a requested video for a pantry tour, and this is a tour of our actual usable everyday pantry. This is a working pantry, so there's lots of projects kind of in progress at all times. But here she is in all her glory. And when I redid the kitchen, I got a price to do in here too. And it was just too much. So we left this out and we kind of maximized what we could. But I do hope someday to actually have a counter here that goes all the way down with storage underneath and storage up above. And this is where our main refrigerator is. And I have a lot of storage on top of everything. We built the shelf up here, which is why I'm doing this video today, so we can have a nice pantry tour and do a little bit of inventory and see what we got. I just refilled snacks because I went to the grocery store the other day, so we're all set with that. If you want a snack, here's in there. I did a major organization in here just the other day. Got rid of a bunch of boxes. We made this granola bar cart. So yeah, looking good. Maximized in there. This is kind of the inspiration for this room, this fancy pickles embroidery that I found at a thrift store. And this is probably my first thrift ever in my life. And I got those in Northampton for like 5 cents each. I love them. They've been in my kitchen no matter where it was. Love them. My favorite part of the pantry is being able to look out this window and see baby sheep. I just wanted to show you guys when the sheep go back on the hillside. It's my favorite time of day. I absolutely love it. I actually keep binoculars here so I can see nice and close too. I love having filtered water in here because I have a sink in there, so it's nice and easy to fill up. I usually use my tea kettle, but it's just convenient for when you're doing projects and stuff to have access to water right there. I have an egg shelf. We always keep that separate. And then I've got something on the bottom that's nice and heavy so this water jug isn't tippy. All right, for the tour, I've got some kombucha stuff up here with some tea and some cane sugar. I used to keep up there. Now I moved into one of these big ones. Some coconut sugar. These are quick oats. Normally I have little packs of oatmeal in there I need to refill. Then we've got our sourdough stuff, so our whole white wheat flour. Then we've got some granola, and of course this is a project I have abandoned, but we need to get this. Probably make some cookies or a bake and also get some put away. Snacks. This is all the snack department. Then we kind of have teas and stuff, and they're really getting used up, honestly. The fig tea has been great. We're good like on all medicinal type stuff, but I have like no base plants. I'm done with my mint. We're done with the chamomile. We definitely need more of both of those. Like a coffee station here. This is actually where I keep my recipes. There's tea in that thing. I have it labeled. And then those are more tea. Those are like 2 deep. There's more back there. This is also where we keep all of our dairy that's dehydrated. I use this stuff a lot. So I have milk powder, oat milk powder, buttermilk powder, heavy cream. There's honey powder there. Then we've got some measuring cups and some elderberries that I harvested out back. We've got marjoram and thyme. We've got lots of different balms, catnip, borage. I always say that wrong. Borage, however you say it. We've got some vinegar right here for when we're canning. It's nice and convenient. These are actually the mugs we use all the time. And back here, there is more tea. This is green tea back here. This actually holds my chaga, and I have one going right now. Usually you pre-make that. It's something I let sit out for like 24 hours and infuse. Then I'll boil some water and make a new one. I think I'll actually make a cup right now. All right, we've got some dried blueberries, some corn from our garden. We've got some apricots and dates, and I don't have back stock for any of this stuff. There's pineapple and raisins. Those are beautyberries from out front. We've got some forsythia I was doing for a hair wash. We've got the mint from last year, which doesn't really taste very good. In fancy pickles, we have some stuff, and it's getting a little crowded in here. And because I cleaned out under there, I think I'm gonna move. These are some cornbreads that I made. They're taking up a lot of space in here. I'm gonna get these out of here and over here with the baking stuff. And that at least cleared me a little bit of room to add more stuff in here. So what's in here? We've got fruit. I've got some little vanillas that we're infusing. We've got tomatoes, and that's rhubarb, and it's literally like the most sour cotton candy consistency because it's freeze dried. We've got seeds, we've got bay leaves. Actually, when we picked this bay, somebody had found this out back. This is a little bottle. Some safflower, some oranges, some seeds, red hot pepper flakes, lemongrass from the garden this year. I haven't used that. I'm gonna have a tea with this lemongrass because that's something I haven't been using. Some little cups, extra spices. Got my fermented garlic in here. This is dried nasturtium. And we've got mustard seeds, which probably could go down to a smaller container now. It doesn't fit in here good. Oh, we just made this infused oil the other day. Get these put down here, hopefully that's it. Yes. So yeah, I got all the cake stuff out of these and cleared up a bunch of space. And my sourdough, I just made that video. I'll link it for you guys. We are in the process of getting a bunch dehydrated. Here we've got the Himalayan sea salt, and you got to just rig it so that you don't have to take it out if it's on the bottom. So it's nice and easily accessible. I'll just leave that open when I'm baking. And here is baking supplies, baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon, yeast, that kind of stuff. We've got some chip powder, some fruit powder. There's some homemade corn cob syrup. We've got some different syrups in here too. Lots of stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today, and we will be in the pantry next time with a pantry chat, but we will be downstairs in the canning pantry instead, and we're going to be talking about lots of different things. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, guys. We will see you on the next one.